If you want to change icon size on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, first of all we need to open settings. Then over here in settings we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and then you want to open personalization. Now over here in this menu we want to go to icons, and then you should be able to easily change the icon size over here by moving left and right, and as you can see we can easily adjust the size of icons. And that is pretty much all. However, in addition to that, you can also go to home screen settings, and then in here we have the home screen layout, which also has an impact on the size of app icons. For example, if you use 5:9 layout, then the size of icons is going to be slightly smaller. And also, if you reopen settings and go to display and brightness, then in here, sorry, actually not here, it is going to be in accessibility, if I remember correctly. And let's go to vision, and there we go. In here we have display size, which also has an impact on the app icon. Now, of course, I mean on the size of app icons. Of course, it changes the size of everything that we have on our phone, of every UI element, but this includes the icon size as well. Leave a like and subscribe.